How's it going, YouTubers? It's me, AMR. Welcome to my unboxing video of the MPOW MBits S unboxing video. I'm in love with MPOW recently because them guys, their products are absolutely incredible, man. My last unboxing video, I unboxed their gaming headphones. Go have a look at that if you haven't already. This unboxing video, I have unboxed the MPOW MBits S wireless earbuds, dude. They look absolutely incredible. Check that box out, man. Check that red color out. You know, the presentation so far, I'm absolutely in love with it. And you can pause the video, have a look at all the information at the start, at the front of the box. At the side of the box, you've just got some headphones, picture and stuff. Here's much more needed information right there. You can pause the video, like I said, and have a read. They've got touch control right there, man. I didn't even know about that. Specifications all the way here. You can pause the video, have a read. And then you've got some more. You got USB-C, man. That's what we need, dude. USB-C for the win. And what you got at the bottom is nothing but the packaging itself. And you got some barcodes and stuff at the top. But anyways, here we go. Let's open them up. Open the flaps. The link to buying these is going to be in the description below, guys. Do not forget to visit the link. So, upon opening the box, it's a black layout. You've also got instruction manuals. Oh, I'm loving this. I'm loving the bag and stuff. It feels so nice. And you got some thingy-majigs in here, which I don't need anyway. And it's got the same type of bag here, which feels so nice. I don't know what's up with the bag. We have got anything under it? Nope, if you haven't. And so here is the headphones themselves, man. Dude, this feels so nice. Everything about this, the feeling. It's got the MPOW logo there. And it's got the USB-C charging port right there, which I believe will be included right here. And let me open that real quick. So nice of them to include this. These days, you get nothing, even if you paid like an arm and a leg for Samsung phones and iPhones and everything. You're not getting anything with them, no charges. But here's a nice little USB-C charging cable, which you can probably plug into your phone charger. And what we have in here is the extra earbuds. Extra is always a nice feature. And however, upon glance of opening them, there they are. They look so nice, so sleek. Look amazing, man. Check it out. And I'm just going to take one out. They're magnetic in there. So you just pop them in, and here we go. They've got that plastic wrapper there, if I was to remove that. And there you go. Apparently this is touch control. I don't know if all of it's touch control, but it is touch control. That's one of them right there. And the other one, I like how tight they fit in there, the magnetic field, because you know that they are secure. Let's get that off. And here we go, compared to my hand. That's how they look. Look incredible, man. And let's pop them back in since I've removed the plastic thingamajig. Will they charge? Oops, put them in the wrong way. Oh, I love the way how they're just, you know, magnetic. Is this too cool? And yep, that is the battery indicator. Seems like they come fully charged. And 1, 2, 3, 4 means that they are getting charged. And as they go down, these are like my old headphones, which I currently use. I forgot what they're called. And as they go down, it means they need a USB-C cable to charge. Now, a little bit information about these bad boys. They come with Bluetooth 5.0. It takes 2 hours for the earbuds to charge. 10 meters is the range for these bad boys. And one charge will get you more than 6 hours, but yeah, it depends. I think that depending on the volume and stuff like that. So yeah, you know, it depends on how loud you're gonna hear them. But it says here it's 6 hours. One blast of charge is gonna give them 6 hours. I can't see fast charging everywhere, so I don't know if they've got that. You can wear 1 or 2. There's waterproof and sweat proof. And there you have it, guys. This was the unboxing video for MPOW. One more time, let me just put these back. There we go. When they're charging, you got a little red LED lights on. And basically both of these, or it's going to be one of them, I don't know which one, the touch control. So touch control is probably going to be customizable or something like that. So there we go, guys. Well, this is my knife here, you don't get that with it. That's the unboxing video. Do not forget to check these headphones out in the description link below. I've linked them directly to the Amazon link. They cost £25, but they do sometimes be on discount and stuff like that, Amazon discounts, and they go down to about £20. And I think the cheapest I've seen them about £15-16. They're absolutely incredible, man. Check these MPOW guys out. They're amazing. All of their products are awesome. And yeah, thank you for watching AMR. Do not forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And peace out, guys.